Hi everybody. Today let us see few fractions and word problems. So let me jump into the question. Kia took 10 minutes to color 1/3 of a picture. How much time did she take to complete the painting? So let us convert these sentences into mathematical notations. Kia took 10 minutes to color 1/3 of a picture. So number of minutes is 10 and how much of the picture? 1/3, 1 by 3. This is how we write 1/3 in terms of a fraction. Reading on to the next sentence. How much time did she take to complete the painting? What does this mean? To complete the painting means she completed the whole picture. The full picture is completed. So 1 by 3 means out of the full picture, if this was the picture and it was divided into 3 parts, she had completed 1 part. This is the meaning of the first sentence. She took 10 minutes to color 1/3 of a picture. This is the picture. And the numerator is the shaded and the denominator is the total of a fraction. So 1/3 of a picture was completed. 1 divided by the total of the picture. Now how much time did she take to complete the painting? That means she had completed painting the other 2 parts as well. How will you figure this out? Just multiply 10 multiplied by 1 by 3. So 10 minutes for 1 by 3 of a picture. So how many minutes will it take to paint one full picture? 1 means full picture. So 1 by 3 is smaller than 1. So from a smaller number, we are going to a bigger number. So what should we do? Multiply or divide? We have to multiply. From smaller to bigger, it is multiplication. So what should you multiply this 1 by 3 to get 1? So 1 by 3, if I multiply it by 3, 3 divided by 3 will cancel and it is 1. So if I multiply with this fraction by 3, it's going to be 1. So the same thing I will multiply here. 10 multiplied by 3 will be your answer. 30 minutes. Moving on to the next question. There are 40 children in a classroom. See the chart and answer how many enroll for each subject. So we have total 40 children. Now we have to see the chart. What is given in the chart? There is a pie chart in which this is math and Arabic, EVS and English. So we have to interpret the fraction given in this pie chart. So this is a circle and this is the line which is dividing it into half. We can see that this whole half is math. So math is equal to, how to write half? It is 1 by 2. Next, moving on, English. How to write English? Now suppose this was a circle. These are the 2 halves. Now if I divide it further, this each one is a quarter. So I can see that English is occupying a quarter. So English is equal to 1 by 4. Next, the same circle. This is divided into 2 halves. Now if I divide it further, it is divided into 4 quarters, that is 1 by 4. If I divide it into even more further, how much will each part be? What are the total number of parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total will be in the denominator. And one part will represent 1. Shaded is 1. So as you can see here, this is half of a half. So half of a half is quarter, which is English. And half of a quarter is 1 by 8, like this. So can you see similarity between this fraction, EVS fraction, and the one which is shaded here, which is 1 by 8. So EVS is 1 by 8 and Arabic is also 1 by 8 because it was 1 quarter which was divided into 2 parts. So this is 1 by 8, this is 1 by 8. Together it makes a quarter. English makes a quarter. Maths makes a half. So half plus quarter makes 1 full pi. So Arabic was 1 by 8. Now the question was, how many enrolled for each subject? You are not done yet. You haven't finished solving the problem. We have got only the fractions and we know the total number of students from the question. Now it's time to solve. Half 1 by 2 of 40. Of means multiplication sign. Multiplied by 40. 40 multiplied by half will be 40 divided by 2, which is equal to 20. So math was enrolled by 20 students. Moving on to next. 1 by 4 of total is 40, which is equal to 40 divided by 4. 40 divided by 4. That's equal to 10. 10 students enrolled for English. Moving on to next. EVS. 1 by 8 multiplied by the total 40. That's equal to 40 divided by 8. That's equal to, in 8 tables, 8 5s are 40. So 5 kids enrolled EVS. Same goes for this. 1 by 8 multiplied by 40, which you already have, which is 5. So 5 kids enrolled for Arabic. So now you can write the answer as math enrolled by 20 kids, English enrolled by 10 kids, EVS by 5 and Arabic 5 kids. We have come to the end of the problem. Subscribe to my channel and like my videos for more. Thank you.